Hey guys, welcome back to St.Elizabeth Jamaican vibes. We're in the time garden, guys. My brother actually cut off some time right now to sell a customer, but it's actually raining. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Yes, but you can see these times cut out. All of this area I'm just cut off. Go all the way up and go all the way down here. Yes guys, so we're trying to get £100. We actually get £40 already. And this is, how much this now, Rodney?
30.
How much?
30 pounds.
30?
30 minutes, yeah.
Okay. So this is almost, this is £30, so that's like 70. So we only need £30 more and we're good to go. This is our farm life in Jamaica. St.Elizabeth Jamaican vibes, and my brother Rodney. Don't know how we do it already. It's all about farming. Okay. So you just have to put these in weight again. Oh, you have to give him like £10 extra on it, right?
No, you're not there.
No. So now that you did tell me first. So you give them what? Like £5?
Yeah, roughly that.
Okay. Well, Rodney, the people them in the comment section, I said they not hear your voice. You talk too soft. So if you talk up, man, talk up the things, them they know say you is a macho man, you know? Ah, you just move quiet, but you is a macho man. Let me see. Okay, that a 30 what? 30,
33.
33, yes. Okay. So this is actually how it's done, guys. This is how we do it here in St. Elizabeth. And I think I saw them do it everywhere. Yeah, so this is how we cut out the time to sell it to customers. You have to make sure say it's clean, no grass or bugs or anything like that is on it.
Yeah, finish, you know. That's it.
Finish for this set, and then we're just gonna look 30 more pounds. But the rain will come down. Oh my gosh. The rain will come down. Alright, so he's taking it to the van, guys. And the rain is actually coming down. The rain will come down. So people, my beautiful people, make sure you share my videos with your families and friends. I'm not going to tell you to subscribe. If you feel that this is a good channel that you love, and this is a channel that you will always come back and watch over and over again, then use your conscience. You should know if you want to subscribe, right? I shouldn't have to tell you. So therefore, I'm just gonna tell you to share it with friends who you know may like this kind of content, right? So until next time, beautiful people of the world, walk good and make good duppy walk with you.